a colorful sunset over the park, with the blue willow trees casting long shadows across the grassy field. Once upon a time, in a mystical land far, far away, there was a beautiful park filled with blue willow trees and sparkling fountains. The park was a magical place where dreams could come true, and anything was possible. In the heart of the park lived a young girl named Lily. She had a kind heart and a boundless imagination, and she spent her days exploring the wonders of the park and spreading joy and happiness to everyone she met. One day, as she was playing in the park, she noticed a group of kids who always looked sad and downcast. They sat alone on the benches, staring at their feet and looking miserable. Lily knew that she had to do something to help them. So she ran over to the kids and said, "Hey, why don't you come play with us? We're having so much fun. And it would be great to have you join in." The unhappy kids were hesitant at first, but Lily's infectious smile and boundless energy soon won them over. As they played together, Lily noticed something magical happening. The blue willow trees began to sway in time with their laughter, and the sparkling fountain shone even brighter. Lily realized that her positive energy was not just affecting the kids, but also the park itself. Determined to spread even more joy and magic, Lily led the kids on a magical adventure through the park. They swung on the swing so high that they felt like they were flying, and raced down the slide so fast that they could feel the wind in their hair. They had a magical picnic under a blue willow tree, with delicious treats that seemed to sparkle in the sunlight. And as they sat and talked, Lily shared stories of the mystical creatures that she knew lived in the park. Suddenly, a beautiful butterfly landed on Lily's shoulder. It was no ordinary butterfly. It had shimmering blue wings that seemed to glow in the sunlight. The kids were in awe as the butterfly led them on a magical journey through the park. They climbed up to their secret treehouse hideout, nestled among the blue willow branches. From there, they could see the entire park, and the beauty of it all took their breath away. As the sun began to set, the park was filled with a magical glow, and the blue willow trees cast long shadows across the grassy field. The kids gathered around Lily, feeling grateful for the joy and magic that she had brought into their lives. But as Lily was about to head home, she noticed something strange in the distance. A dark cloud was gathering on the horizon, and she could sense a dark presence lurking within it. She knew that the park was in danger, and that she would have to use all of her magic and courage to protect it. And so, Lily embarked on a perilous journey to save the park and all the creatures that called it home. But that is a story for another time. And so, Lily embarked on a perilous journey to save the park and all the creatures that called it home. What will happen next? Will Lily be able to save the park from the dark forces that threaten it? You'll have to tune in to the second part of this magical tale to find out. Thank you for listening to this story, and I hope it brought a little bit of magic into your day. Remember, no matter how big or small you are, you have the power to spread joy and happiness wherever you go. Keep shining your light and always believe in the magic of the world around you.